बोलो सर. Hello, I am Milky Way. Our solar system is located in the galaxy. The Milky Way, also now galaxy. The galaxy is a surface in shape. There are billions of stars and planets in the galaxy. The stars in the galaxy older in than the sun. धन्यवाद.
Hello everybody, I am can be slightly smaller or bigger than the sun, but there is a lot difference in their temperatures. For example, star like Sirius Alpha Centauri. Second, I am red giant star. My temperature ranges between 3000 degrees Celsius to 4000 degrees Celsius, but my luminance can be 100 times that of the sun. My diameter is 10 to 100 times from the sun. Thank you.
I am a supernova. These are even brighter and larger than the red giant stars. Their temperature is between 3000 Celsius to 4000 Celsius, but their diameter can be more than 100 times greater than that of the sun. More than half of the stars in sky that consist of two stars that revolve around each other at time. There are four stars that revolve around each other have also been located. Thank you. The luminance and shape of these stars is not stable. They are consistently contracting or expanding. When a star expands, it emits less energy, and as such, time brightness decreases against this. When a star consists necessary and the star greater energy and brighter. For example, polar star.
The sun which is at the solar system is a yellow color red star. It is surface temperature 6000 degrees Celsius. The diameter of the sun approximately 3092,000 kilometers. Thank you. Mercury, this planet closer to the sun. It is visible to the morning and the evening away from the sun. A number of dispersions which look like volcanic craters but are actually caused by meteoric falls can be seen to the surface of Mercury. I am a fastest moving planet.
I am a Venus. I am a brightest planet in the solar system. I seen in the sky east before sunrise and west after sunset. I rotate from east to west. I am a hottest planet. Thank you.
Earth, I am the third planet from the solar system. No other planets other than the Earth has life on it. As the Earth is a magnet, there is a magnetic field around the Earth. It diverges down through rays from the Sun towards to the polar region of the Earth. Thank you.
The Mars, the fourth planet in the solar system, has the soil on Mars contains its color is reddish. Hence, Mars is called the red planet. The highest and longest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is located on Mars. Thank you. I am the largest planet of the solar system. I am the fifth planet on the solar system. I am so large that the 1397 of size of the Earth can get accounted in me. Even though I am so hot, all other planets can call me the stormy planet. Thank you. The solar system, and next only to Jupiter in size. I am considered to be a peculiar planet because of the rings around me. Thus my mass is 95 times that of the Earth. My density is very low. Thank you.
Right, I am Uranus. I am seventh planet in the solar system. Cannot be seen without a telescope. My axis is so greatly inclined that it appears as if it is rolling along on its orbit. Thank you.
Mike Zol.
Hello, I am a Neptune. It is the 8th planet in the solar system. A season of the Neptune lasts for 41 years on this wind blow with extremely high speed. Thank you.
I told that a great number of small sized bodies could not turn into planet when the solar system
was formed but continued to revolve around the sun. These bodies are known as asteroids, a belt of such Celsius bodies as formed between planet Mars and Jupiter. Thank you.
Galaxy body that revolve independently around the sun is called a dwarf planet. A galaxy like a body like Pluto can be found. Hello, I am a comet. I am close to the sun. The body around the sun.
माईक जवळ माईक
Hello everyone, I am short period of comet. This comet takes less than 200 years to complete one revolution around the sun. I am Halley's Comet. Halley's Comet appeared in the year 1910, reappeared in 1986. Part of Perseus, found to be 60 km wide to 7.5 km long. 76 year complete revolution around the sun. Thank you.